In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save an Outlook email as a PDF. We'll cover both the new Outlook experience, including Outlook on the web, and classic Outlook. Saving an email as a PDF is a great way to archive important messages, share them securely, or store them where they'll look the same on any device. Let's start with the new Outlook or the web version. First, open the specific email you want to convert. Make sure the message is fully loaded and expanded so the entire conversation you want is visible. Next, go to the Home menu at the top and choose Print. If you don't see that right away, look for the printer icon, or open the More Options menu, the three dots, and select Print there. This brings up the print dialog and a preview. In the printer drop-down, choose Microsoft Print to PDF, or any similar Save as PDF option you see on your system. Now click Print. You'll be prompted to pick where to save the file. Browse to your preferred folder, give the PDF a clear, searchable name, and select Save. A quick tip: include a short description or date in the file name so you can find it easily later. When it finishes, you can open the PDF to confirm everything looks correct. Now, if you're using Classic Outlook, the process is just as simple. Open the email you want to convert. Then head to the File menu at the top and choose Print. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can press Ctrl+P on Windows or Command+P on a Mac to jump straight to the print screen. In the printer drop-down, choose Microsoft Print to PDF, or a similar Save as PDF option if that's what your system shows. Click Print to proceed. You'll see a Save Print Output as or Save as dialog. Choose your destination folder, type a descriptive file name, and click Save. That's it, the email is now preserved as a PDF. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.